Are you looking for creative ideas to spice up your Thanksgiving bulletin board this year? Struggling to come up with a design that stands out? Don't worry. In this video, we're diving into the most exciting, simple, and heartfelt ways to transform your bulletin board into the centerpiece of your Thanksgiving decor. What are some creative themes for a Thanksgiving bulletin board? When it comes to Thanksgiving bulletin boards, selecting the right theme can set the tone for the entire display. Let's explore 3 unique and fun theme ideas to inspire your creativity. Gratitude Tree Theme. Encourage participation by creating a tree where students, colleagues, or family members can add leaves with notes of what they're thankful for. Harvest Festival Theme. Incorporate pumpkins, cornucopias, and autumn leaves to symbolize abundance and togetherness. This theme brings a cozy fall atmosphere to any space. Turkey Time Theme. Create a fun and educational board with a large turkey and feathers displaying facts or messages of gratitude. It's interactive and visually appealing. If you're enjoying these creative ideas, make sure to like this video to show your support. What materials should you use to make your Thanksgiving bulletin board stand out? Choosing the right materials can elevate the look of your bulletin board, making it both visually appealing and durable. Let's look at 3 key material choices. Textured paper. Use burlap, felt, or patterned paper for the background to add warmth and depth, giving a rustic Thanksgiving vibe. 3D elements. Add 3D elements like faux pumpkins, leaves, and mini cornucopias. These tactile elements make the board pop and draw attention. LED lights or string lights, soft, warm lighting along the edges or through the design can bring an inviting glow to the bulletin board. Perfect for the holiday atmosphere. Want more ideas like these? Subscribe to the channel for future videos filled with DIY decor tips. How can you make your Thanksgiving bulletin board interactive? Interactivity adds an extra layer of engagement, making your bulletin board more memorable. Here are 3 simple ways to encourage participation. Thankful notes. Provide sticky notes or paper leaves for people to write down what they're thankful for and attach them to the board. This creates a communal feel. Gratitude chain. Start a paper chain where every link represents something someone is thankful for. Over time, the chain will grow, showcasing collective gratitude. Guess the gratitude game. Create a game where viewers try to match written gratitudes to specific people. This creates a fun and personal connection with the board. Don't forget to comment below with how you'd like to make your bulletin board interactive. How can you incorporate educational elements into a Thanksgiving bulletin board? Thanksgiving is not only about gratitude, but also about learning history and values. Here's how you can incorporate educational content into your design. Historical Facts section. Dedicate a corner to key facts about the history of Thanksgiving, including the Mayflower, Native American traditions, and the first Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving vocabulary. Use the board to display Thanksgiving-related words, like gratitude, feast, and harvest, complete with definitions or fun facts. Thankful culture display. Highlight how different cultures express gratitude, making your board inclusive and educational by showing various traditions from around the world. Curious to learn more about creative holiday ideas? Check the description for links to similar videos. What design tips can make your bulletin board visually appealing yet easy to assemble? Design is key, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Let's look at 3 simple design tips that will make your Thanksgiving bulletin board both eye-catching and easy to put together. Use a focal point. Create a large, central image, like a turkey or a tree, to draw the eye immediately. Keep the surrounding design simple to avoid clutter. Balance your colors. Stick to a warm color palette with oranges, reds, yellows, and browns to give it a cohesive look that evokes the spirit of autumn. Layering elements. Use layers of paper, cloth, or decorations to give depth without overcomplicating the design. This adds texture and dimension without overwhelming the board. Looking for more quick tips? Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more helpful ideas. How can you incorporate technology or multimedia into your Thanksgiving bulletin board? In today's digital age, why not take your Thanksgiving bulletin board to the next level by incorporating some tech elements? Here's how you can do it. QR codes. Include QR codes that link to videos, recipes, or Thanksgiving-related history. This allows viewers to learn more through their smartphones. Digital gratitude wall. Encourage people to submit their messages of gratitude online and display these digital messages on a tablet or computer next to your bulletin board. Interactive slideshows or videos. Set up a small screen displaying a slideshow of Thanksgiving images or short videos about the history and traditions of the holiday. If you loved these modern twists, make sure to share this video with your friends for even more inspiration. There you have it, everything you need to create an inspiring, engaging, and memorable Thanksgiving bulletin board. Whether you're going for a fun, educational, or interactive design, these ideas are sure to make your bulletin board the talk of the room. Let's make this Thanksgiving season more creative and grateful than ever. Don't forget to check the description for all the tools and products mentioned in this video and hit that notification bell to never miss an update.